This ancient practice reduces sinus infections by 62%, but only if you do it right. Today, an ENT doctor shows. 1. The right way to do nasal irrigation. Most people fail at step 3. 2. Dangerous mistakes that send people to the ER. 3. My favorite $10 tool that works better than Neti pots. This isn't just about clearing mucus, it's about breathing easier safely. What is nasal irrigation? Nasal irrigation is a simple, natural, and effective at-home method to rinse and cleanse your nasal passages. It involves flushing out your sinuses with a saline solution, a mixture of water and salt, to help clear mucus, allergens, and irritants. Your sinuses are air-filled spaces located behind your cheeks, nose, and forehead. When they become inflamed due to a cold, allergies, or sinus infection, mucus can build up and block your nasal passages. Nasal irrigation helps loosen and remove this mucus, making it easier to breathe. How does nasal irrigation work? Using nasal irrigation, you pour or spray a saline solution into one nostril, allowing it to flow through your nasal cavity and out the other nostril. This process thins and clears mucus, removes dust, pollen, and other allergens, flushes out bacteria and viruses, reduces swelling and irritation. Which nasal irrigation method is best? There are several types of nasal irrigation systems available over the counter. All are effective, so the best choice is the one you're most comfortable using. Popular options include Neti pots, shaped like a teapot. These allow you to gently pour saline into your nose. Rinse bottles, squeezable bottles that let you control the flow of saline. Pre-filled applicators, convenient, ready-to-use saline sprays or containers. Whichever you choose, make sure to use sterile, distilled, or previously boiled water to avoid any risk of infection. What conditions does nasal irrigation help? Nasal irrigation is beneficial for anyone dealing with nasal congestion or a stuffy nose, sneezing and nasal itching, difficulty breathing through the nose, allergies, pollen, dust, pet dander, mold, sinus infections, sinusitis, cold and flu symptoms, post-COVID-19 nasal issues. Regular use of nasal irrigation can provide natural relief and help maintain clear nasal passages, especially during allergy season or cold weather. Is nasal irrigation safe?
Yes.
Nasal irrigation is generally safe when done correctly. Just remember, use only sterile, distilled, or previously boiled water. Keep your irrigation device clean and dry between uses. Don't overuse. Once or twice a day during symptoms is usually enough. Who should avoid nasal irrigation? While nasal irrigation is safe for most people, there are certain situations where it may not be recommended. You shouldn't try nasal irrigation if you have an ear infection, experience ear pressure or fullness in one or both ears, have a completely blocked nostril, recently had sinus or ear surgery. These conditions can increase the risk of discomfort or complications. If you're unsure whether nasal irrigation is safe for you, always check with your healthcare provider before starting. What kind of water is safe for nasal irrigation? Using the right kind of water is essential to ensure safe nasal irrigation. Tap water can contain germs, minerals, and chemicals that may irritate your sinuses or even cause infections if introduced into the nasal passages. Here are safe options. White heavy check mark distilled or sterile water. The best option for nasal irrigation. Free from impurities, minerals, and microbes. Look for bottles labeled distilled or sterile in stores. White heavy check mark boiled water. If distilled water isn't available, you can boil tap water. Boil for at least 5 minutes, then cool to a safe temperature. Use within 24 hours and store in a clean, covered container. White heavy check mark filtered water. Only use filters approved for removing harmful microorganisms. The CDC provides guidelines on which filters are safe for nasal use. Check that your filter meets NSF/ANSI standards. Avoid using untreated tap water for nasal irrigation, even if it's safe to drink. Your sinuses are more sensitive than your stomach. How to perform nasal irrigation, a step-by-step guide. Nasal irrigation is a simple, effective method to rinse your sinuses using a saline solution. It can ease symptoms of allergies, sinus infections, and nasal congestion. If you're new to nasal rinses, follow this easy step-by-step procedure to get started safely. Soap Step 1. Wash your hands and equipment. Start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water. If you're using a Neti pot, nasal rinse bottle, or another reusable device, not pre-filled, clean it before use. Irrigating over a sink makes cleanup much easier. Droplet Step 2. Prepare the nasal irrigation solution. You have two options for your saline solution. Commercial saline mix. Follow the packet instructions. DIY saline solution. Mix 1 to 2 cups of distilled or boiled water with 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of non-iodized salt. Avoid table salt. If boiling water, let it boil for 5 minutes, then cool it to lukewarm. Always use distilled, sterile, or previously boiled water for nasal irrigation to prevent infection. Step 3. Fill your irrigation container. Once your saline solution is ready and cooled, if necessary, pour it into your clean container, whether that's a Neti pot, squeeze bottle, or pre-filled applicator. Person standing. Step 4. Get in position. Lean over the sink with your head tilted to one side. One ear should face the sink, the other should face up. Imagine water flowing from the upper nostril out the lower one. Water wave. Step 5. Irrigate your nose. Breathe through your mouth. Gently insert the spout or nozzle into your upper nostril to form a light seal. Slowly pour or squeeze the solution into your nostril. Let the water flow through your nasal passages and out the other nostril into the sink. Repeat the process with the other nostril. Nose. Step 6. Blow your nose. Once you're done irrigating, gently blow your nose to clear out any leftover saline or mucus. Use a tissue or lean over the sink. Sponge aftercare. Cleaning up. After nasal irrigation. Throw away single-use containers. Clean reusable devices with hot, soapy water or check if they're dishwasher safe. Let them air dry on a clean towel before the next use. Proper cleaning helps prevent contamination and keeps your nasal rinse routine safe. White heavy check mark. Benefits of nasal irrigation. People often feel relief after just one nasal rinse. Benefits of nasal irrigation include reduced sinus pressure and congestion, relief from allergies and sinus infections, easier breathing and improved sleep, fewer symptoms during cold, flu, or post-COVID recovery, long-term symptom improvement with regular use, especially for allergies. Warning: side effects and risks of nasal irrigation. Common side effects: mild burning or stinging in the nose. Adjust salt amount or water temp if this happens. Rare risks: infection if you use contaminated water, like untreated tap water. Rare cases of serious infection, e.g., Naegleria fowleri amoeba, have occurred with non-sterile water. Light bulbs. Stay safe by using distilled water, boiled and cooled water, CDC-approved filtered water. Never use plain tap water unless it's been properly treated. When done correctly, nasal irrigation is a safe, natural, and highly effective way to manage sinus and allergy symptoms. It's affordable, easy to do at home, and suitable for both adults and children with guidance. Just be sure to follow safety guidelines, and always use clean water. Your nose filters 20,000 liters of air daily. Give it the clean it deserves. Text: breathe deeply, *. Join our health community. Keycap 1 like if you learned something new. Keycap 2 subscribe for more doctor-approved health hacks. Keycap 3 comment your nasal irrigation experiences. At HeInfo, we believe good health starts with good breathing. Here's to clearer days ahead.